nani temo. The grammar of Tatoe nani temo is mean that even if something is the case, even if something is the case. So how to use? In Japanese, when you use the grammar of Tatoe nani temo, you can use the verb, the noun, and the adjective, non-adjective, and adjective, as you see here. But when you use the verb, you should change the verb to be the te form, and after that followed by mo, which means temo. For example, you can say itemo, right? Kitemo, tabetemo, something like this. And for the noun, when you use with the noun, you should end by demo, right? Demo. For example, gohan demo, tabemono demo, something like this. Yasai demo, right? And for the non-adjective, you can do the same just now, which means that after non-adjective, you should end by or you should follow by demo, right? Kile demo, something like this. And for the last one is adjective. When you use with the adjective, that means you should cut out the e, right? And after they followed by kutemo, for example, oishi kutemo, right? Oishi is mean e end by e, but you should cut the e, so we can say oishi kutemo, something like this. So this means how to use the grammar of Tatoe nani temo, right? And it has the meaning, the same meaning that even if something is the case, right? But it depends to the verb, right? To the noun and to the adjective, right? So the next, let's go see some example together to make more understand about how to use the grammar of Tatoe nani temo. The first example, たとえ彼は忙しくても来るよ。たとえ彼は忙しくても来るよ。Which means that even if he is busy, he will come. Even if he is busy, he will come. In this sentence, you see that they use the adjective, right, in this case. In here, our adjective is isogashi, right? Isogashi is mean busy. But in this case, they cut out the e, so we don't have e in here. So we just left only isogashi. But after they followed by kutemo, right? So by follow with the grammar, this is the correct one. So you can say isogashi kutemo kuru yo, right? So in this sentence, you can translate to be English like, even if he is busy, right? He will come. Kuru yo, which means he will come. The next example. 私は親にたとえ反対されても留学したいです。私は親にたとえ反対されても留学したいです。Which means that even if my parents are against it, I want to study abroad. Even if my parents are against it, I want to study abroad. In this sentence, you see that they use the verb. In here, our verb is 反対する, right? 反対する. 反対される, right? 反対される. But we change to be the mass form. We can say 反対されます. 反対されます. But we cut out the mass, so we just let only 反対され and followed by demo. So we can say 反対されても。たとえ反対されても。Right? 反対 is mean against. So 反対されても留学したいです。Right? 私は親にたとえ反対されても留学したいです。Which means even if my parents are against it, I want to study abroad. 留学したいです。Which means I want to study abroad. Right? In this sentence, it means that you have your opinion or your idea. You thinking that you want to study abroad, but even, for example, your parents disagree with your opinion, right? Even your parents disagree with you, but you still want to study abroad. So you can say the sentence like this to explain the feeling that what you mean and what is the problem happen. 私は親にたとえ反対されても留学したいです。The next example、たとえ元気じゃなくても家族への手紙には元気だと書きます。たとえ元気じゃなくても家族への手紙には元気だと書きます。Which means that even if I'm not well, I will write that I'm well in a letter to my family. Even if I am not well, I will write that I am well in a letter to my family. In this case, you will see that they use genki. Genki is mean the noun, right? So when you use the noun, you can say janakutemo, dewanakutemo, right? You can say de genki dewanakute, dewanai, right? Dewanai, but genki janai, genki dewanai, it had the same meaning. So when you genki janai is mean that is end by e, right? So we change similar to the eht form. So in this case, we cut out the e and end by kutemo. So we can say genki janakutemo, right? たとえ元気じゃなくても even if I'm not well, right? 元気 is mean well or strength or healthy, right? But 元気じゃない which mean not well, not strong, not healthy. So 元気じゃなくても is mean even if I'm not well. たとえ元気じゃなくても、right? 家族への手紙には元気だと書きます。Even if I'm not well, or even if I'm not healthy, right? Or even if I'm not feel so good, or even if I have problem about my health, right? I will write that I am well or I'm healthy in a letter to my family, something like this. The next example. たとえ仕事がつまらなくてもあまり文句を言わない方がいい。たとえ仕事がつまらなくてもあまり文句を言わない方がいい。Which means that even if your job is boring, you shouldn't complain about it too much. Even if your job is boring, you shouldn't complain about it too much. In this sentence, you see that they use the eht, right? In here, our eht is mean つまらない。つまらない. So when we cut the e, so we just left only つまらない and followed by くても. So we can say つまらなくても, right? つまらない is mean boring, right? つまらなくても is mean even boring, something like this. So in this example, they say たとえ仕事がつまらなくても it means even your job or even your work is boring. あまり文句を言わない方がいい。You shouldn't complain about it too much. Something like this. So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of